Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to restart the Telegram app on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to restart the Telegram app on our phone, we'll be required to open the settings of the phone and not the Telegram app itself. So open the settings. To opening your settings, guys, scroll down over here and find the apps option available for us over here just below the battery. Tap on apps, and over here again on this interface at the top of the screen you can see the app management available for us. Tap on app management, and over here search for Telegram by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Telegram. Open it by tapping on the Telegram, guys. Now in order to restart the Telegram app, guys, you can see the force stop option available for us over here just beside the uninstall. Tap on force stop and again tap on force stop, and then your Telegram app will be force stop. When you open your Telegram app after this procedure, it will restart. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to restart your Telegram app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.